Any machine can fail. We at Precog prevent failures of complex machines and reduce their maintenance costs. Equipment failure causes lost production, but it's not just that. People are afraid of equipment failures. Every chemical or energy plant has 2 or even 3 or 4 systems that are not used to their full potential. Each redundant system is fully maintained every year just to make sure it will not fail. And finally, the maintenance intervals are short enough so that the equipment will almost never reach a failure situation. This means inefficiency that you cannot afford. Inefficiency that is translated to losses on the financial reports. We at Precog tell our customers this equipment can be used to its full potential and maximize profits. By monitoring the equipment against failure, Precog allows you to do more with the same CapEx investments, save money, and stay ahead of the competition. This is what Industry 4.0 is all about. The frustration is that most industries are already collecting data from thousands of sensors. You must have it to control your plant. The data is there, yet detection is poor. As much as technology has evolved, current solutions predict only 2% of the failures, only 2%. And wrong use of machine learning is making it even worse. Let me explain. How often have you heard a fire alarm and ignored it because you thought it to be a false alarm? Picture the operator in the control room seeing hundreds of these alarms all the time. He doesn't know which ones are real, where they are coming from, and naturally, he ignores them. This is exactly what happens when you stream hundreds or thousands of pre-correlated sensors into a machine learning engine. For the operator, the results are just noise. This is why the machine learning solutions have failed, and we are left with many skeptical operation people. We at Precog created a software that does the machine learning, but it doesn't stop there. It applies a simple and automated process that extracts the experience and knowledge about the machine and turns them into a mathematical graph. In real time, it uses the mathematical graph to aggregate the noise into a single true problem. Instead of hundreds of alerts a day that need to be attended, Precog produces 3 explainable alerts a week. Precog detects everything, from potential failures 48 hours in advance to leakages in high-pressure pipes, bad sensors, and even when the operator is doing something that he is not supposed to do. This information is worth millions. Last June, we completed a production site at BASF, the biggest chemical producer in the world. They are ahead of their competition. Adapting predictive maintenance practices is a process. We suggest to start with a pilot at one plant. As you know, a positive feedback of one plant manager is better than 1,000 memorandums from the headquarters. After gaining trust, the team can plan on more disruptive changes to the maintenance schedules. I started with any machine can fail. It is in your hands to decide whether you want to be afraid of it or rather manage it, be efficient, and win the competition. Join us in achieving a world of zero machine failure. Thank you.